End of the day. Here we go. Third period. Say hey. Hey. Yeah. Worldwide. We're worldwide. Okay. On graph paper, plot these ordered pairs, then use a ruler to make a line. In order to plot an ordered pair, you must remember their x and y, and the axes are x and y. So to do the x, you're going to go left and right. To the y, you're going to go up and down. You always start at this spot, which is, do you know what this is called right here? What is another name? What? Origin. Everybody. Origin. Hey. Origin. Did everybody out there in YouTube land know that that's called the origin? I don't know. Comment below. Click subscribe. Here we go. Start at the origin. Start at the origin. For the 1, do I go left or right? I go right. It's positive. If it were negative, I'd go left. Then, from that spot, not back at the origin, but from that spot, do I go up or down 5? Up, because it's positive. This is negative. So, boom, boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot. Next, 2, left or right? Left. Why? Hey, you guys are teachers. Whoops, dot doesn't go there though. Whoopsie, I got to teach the wrong way too. We're here at -2. From here, do I go up or down 4? Down. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to scribble that out so I don't accidentally use it later. That's a valuable strategy. Scribbling. Next one. I start back at the what? Origin. The what? Origin. And do I go left or right? Right. Ah, Fantasia, I don't move at all. But from there, where I didn't move at all, do I go up or down 2? Up. Bam. So plot these ordered pairs, then use a ruler. A ruler is a key piece when we're making linear graphs. Linear means the line. Rulers are important for that. Make a nice long line, extend it beyond your dots, and put the little arrows. The arrows mean it goes theoretically forever in both directions. Okay, so there's our line. Done deal. Now let's go to the table. All right. Complete the table shown here. Well, there's a lot of different strategies to use. But since we're on YouTube and time is short and we're already 3 minutes into this, I'm going to just show you one way to do it. Compare that with how you did it and make a decision. That's a little deeper thinking for you. Okay? I noticed that if I put a 3 in here, it's a little easier for me to see what the pattern is, right? What goes here if I had a 3 there? Everything. How about a 5? Because 3 is halfway in between. If that's +1 + 1, that should be +2 + 2, right? It's proportional because it makes a line. Okay? So I know that for each one, I'm moving by 2. Okay? So, but there isn't a 3 on here, so why do that? It says complete the table. But that helps me understand something. What's going to go here? If I'm going up by 2, like if I put my 2 over here and there's a 3, and we already said, hey, if there's a 3, there's a 5, then what's this going to be? If it's going +2 this way, then it's going -2 that way. That's going to be a 1. So there, we're filling in the table just by making some observations about the pattern. We don't need an equation or a calculator or anything like that. Just observe the pattern. Know that whenever you get a table, sometimes it's out of order like this one was. You are free to rearrange it and put it in order because that helps you see the pattern. Okay, so don't be fooled by a weird table. Change it to how you like it. Put it in order. Okay, so this 0 I'm going to move it over here because it makes it easier for me to see the pattern. 5, 3, 1. Next. What's 2 before 1? Not sure? Here's another great strategy for you to use. 5, 3, 1, -1, right? It's nice and visual. You can see, you don't have to worry about signs or whatever, just keep following it down the number line. Okay, so we have 0, -1 on our table. We have I just went to the bathroom and came back. That's how fast I am. Okay. This was getting messy, so I'm going to fill this back in. So we did some thinking. Let's fill these in. We had 0, -1, 1, and 1. Now it's messed up. It's kind of upside down, right? We just got in this habit of counting by 2s, and now it's not going to work anymore. But how many 2s, how many -2s does it take to get from -1 to -7? How many -2s does it take? Shout it out.
3.
It takes 3 of them, right? Because if I'm here at -1 and I need to get to -7, there's 2, there's 2, there's 2, right? It took 3 of them. 3 of them. Of means multiply. So, if it took 3 2s to go backwards that way, how many 1s am I going to go backwards? 3. The answer to the last question is the answer to this question. There we go. Okay? It's just linear thinking. That's it. We're done. 7-minute video. Quick refresher on 2 things. Making a graph and proportional thinking and filling in a table. Nice job. Hey, third period, say goodbye.